Hello, this is Rachel live from Kalkine Studios and you're watching the IPO Corner, a weekly show dedicated to IPO market performance with hot public offerings and all important information about the listing companies. Now, however, before investing in any shares, investors need to understand the business prospects and operations in detail, such as future risks and returns. This can also include changing the IPO price or issuance date as the companies see fit. Well, let's look at some proposed IPO listings scheduled for this week. First up, we have Cobra Resources, a mineral exploration company with 5 key projects located in the Kimberley and Eastern Goldfields regions of Western Australia. Its project tenements consist of 4 granted exploration licenses and 1 pending exploration license application, which collectively cover 178 kilometres. Overall, the projects are considered highly prospective for multiple styles of mineralisation, with gold, nickel and copper as the primary target commodities. Cobra Resources has undertaken a more than $4 million public offering at a 20 cents issue price. It plans to list on the ASX on the 21st of April at 12:30 p.m. Australian Eastern Standard Time. Next up, we have RLF AgTech, an Australian-based business with a worldwide focus. Their farming innovations are empowered by technology inspired by the earth. The company believes they can help fill the world and heal the planet by combining a rich understanding of nature's ecosystems with their futuristic technology. They offer specialty plant nutrition and technology-based crop management programs globally. RLF AgTech has undertaken a $10 million public offering at a 20 cents issue price. They plan to list on the ASX on the 21st of April at 11:30 a.m. Australian Eastern Standard Time. Moving on to the next, and we have Osmond Resources, an early-stage mineral exploration and development company focused on gold and base metal discoveries within South Australia and Victoria. The company has secured agreements regarding several tenements with Cobra Resources and Cobra Resources. According to the company, these projects are considered highly prospective for gold, copper and nickel and other rare earth elements. Osmond Resources has undertaken a $5 million public offering at 20 cents issue price. They plan to list on the Australian Securities Exchange on the 22nd of April at 12:30 p.m. Australian Eastern Standard Time. Now, before moving on to 2 other IPOs listed for this week, let's take a quick break. I'll be back soon.
Crypto Talk by Kalkine. The crypto market has been red hot given the Bitcoin rally since the past year. And now the most famous cryptocurrency has got competitors, Dogecoin and Ethereum. If the crypto market excites you, tune in with me, Sage, to know the latest developments about the existing digital currencies and the new ones that are joining the race. I'll help you understand the opportunities and the risks the crypto market has in store for you. For all the digital currency related developments, continue watching Crypto Talk by Kalkine.
Hello and welcome back to the IPO Corner show. Now let's take a look at the remaining 2 IPOs that are scheduled to list on the ASX this week. Lithium Plus Minerals is focused on exploring its 19th century granted exploration licenses. Its 3 exploration licenses are under application in the Northern Territory. The tenements are located in an emerging lithium discovery province in the Bino and Arunta regions in the NT. Assuming that the 3 pending tenement applications are granted, the total area held by the company under license will exceed 1,690 kilometres. Lithium Plus Miner has undertaken a $10 million public offering at a 25 cents issue price. They plan to list on the ASX on the 26th of April at 12:30 p.m. Australian Eastern Standard Time. The primary purpose of the offer is to provide the company with funds to undertake further exploration work at the tenements. And lastly, we have Cobra Resources, a new company deliberately targeting high-grade cobalt, copper and gold projects where cobalt mineralisation is of primary economic importance. Cobra's projects include the Black Pine Cobalt Copper and Colson Cobalt Copper project located in the Idaho Cobalt Belt. It's a premier cobalt district in the stable Tier 1 jurisdiction of the USA. Cobra also has the Panther Cobalt Copper and Elkhorn Cobalt projects in the Idaho Cobalt Belt and the Good Springs Copper Cobalt project in Nevada. Cobra Resources has undertaken an $8 million public offering at a 20 cents issue price. They plan to list on the ASX on the 27th of April at 11 a.m. Australian Eastern Standard Time. Cobra's objective is to undertake further exploration utilising modern methodologies, including three-dimensional induced polarisation geophysical surveying at the Black Pine project. Now, according to the company, this method will help refine targets in advance of drilling, as it endeavours to outline commercially viable quantities of cobalt mineralisation. Well, it's time to wrap up the IPO Corner show, but let me share this critical information first. Before investing in IPOs, investors must check the company's credibility and their track record. The risk appetite level varies from investors, and they need to consider factors such as an analyst's view, brokerage ratings, industry outlook, financial performance, and peers review before making an investment decision. It's also important to note that companies can change the IPO price or issuance date as they see fit. Well, that's all for now on the IPO Corner show. Stay tuned to Kalkine TV. We've got many more shows lined up for you with live updates across the economy, markets and sectors. This is Rachel signing off for now.